Hello, hello, hello! Welcome back to Gary's Mod. Now, we just finished up with the last horror map, and it was quite short. So, I think let's go at it with another one. So we found another co-op horror map, and this room is very small.
Yes.
I don't know what's up with the windows. Either of them, but I bet anyone could look at this and say, that's a broken window. But when I look at it, I think, man, that's some very unique architecture.
Yeah. Oh.
Very, very unique architecture. And
nice texture.
And texture. But anyway, we've already got this all covered. Let's just jump right on into it, shall we?
Yes. Got my headphones on, volumes up, turn the lights off, close your eyes, and wear a hat. I think I'll keep the hat and keep my eyes open.
Probably. I don't know how we play this with our eyes closed, but anyway.
Welcome to Spooky Horror Map 2, the highly anticipated sequel to Spooky Horror Map 1. I'm your narrator, Taco. In this map, you will encounter all sorts of different scares that are guaranteed to rattle your bones and spook your socks off. So hold on tight, because you're in for a fright. Good luck, and have fun.
Thanks, Taco.
Well, this is... You can already tell this is gonna be one of those maps.
A narrator.
Oh!
Well, that started nicely.
I got a crowbar. I think.
Oh.
There it is. Yeah, I got a crowbar and my gravity gun. Okay, so got my crowbar. Oh.
Well.
Okay.
Is this a horror map or a haunted house? It's a haunted house.
Yeah, okay.
Is it the same thing? Oh, come on.
Hello.
Alright.
Welcome to my lair. Try to find your way out. If you dare.
Are you trying to press What are you?
Okay, it's gonna be one of those maps I see. Oops.
I don't think he's okay.
Probably not. Let me do this pulse.
Give us crowbars for a
reason. He'll be fine.
It's just a henchman. Try this one.
Ah.
Alright, well, this is just what's that on my left?
Can't open it. Oh. Oh. You can only open one door at a time.
There's a control panel in here.
Doesn't seem like I can do anything. Okay.
What's in here?
Okay.
Hello, Seinfeld.
Let's not go in there.
I don't think we need to talk to George right now. There's nothing in here.
Okay, I don't know what we're doing here.
Guess we'll take the elevator tour.
Can we?
Seem to open.
There's noises coming from inside of it. Someone's in there.
Maybe this opens
this
it.
Elevator needs a key.
Where does it say that?
If you go up to it.
This elevator, a key, you say?
It's gotta be.
Maybe this hot dog's a key. Is this hot dog, you think, a key?
You can try.
Maybe you have to open the desk, maybe? No. That's a key. They wouldn't just give us the Frank for nothing.
It's gotta be something to do with this thing.
Oh, hold on. What is this? Maybe, a key. Is anything open?
Here, come here, real quick.
Crowbar.
What if one of us is in this room, and then...
Yeah.
Here.
After all, co-op does matters.
Here.
Which room?
Now, go to the other one, and see if pressing those buttons does anything.
It's doing something. Whoa, something's green.
Huh?
Turn something on.
Things changed in here.
Something turned on.
Okay, here, come let me
Nothing's
out.
working.
It's gotta be something in here.
This has to do something. This turned to green. Something turned to green when I hit that. Now you try. Maybe
Okay.
something different happens when you open it. Now hit the button to close the door. No, I meant like outside. On the wall.
I'm stuck in here.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
I don't know.
Now go.
Right, when here we need to be. Oh, it turned green. Again.
Green.
Oh!
Something
I
happened.
pressed it.
Something changed in here.
Wait. This one lit up green. You did something. Go back. You're standing somewhere.
No, I'm somewhere. Hit it again. Somewhere. Something opened.
For a brief second, this side lit up green. I don't know if you were standing in somewhere.
Yeah, I was on the thing. Now I'm behind a door.
Oh, wait, no, stop.
You gotta...
Hey!
Okay, stop. Don't move. I'm somewhere.
Guys.
Oh, I'm in an upside down room. Hold on. Aha! I'm somewhere. Hello. Aha! Why am I in a barbershop?
Here, I'm gonna come.
Time to get your hair cut, that's why.
Okay, I guess not. I think you're on your own.
Oh, frick. I can't do parkour here. Left or right. Oh, don't do that. The key! I got the key!
Alright, come on back.
I got the key!
Let's go. Oh,
Go.
Alligator.
Oh my
dear.
god!
No! I managed to somehow get into the door before it hit me.
Oh!
Oh.
Okay, so...
Now, where are we?
We've established that this map...
What was that?
It's just some PNG image of Gucci Mane.
Oh,
Why
come
Gucci
on!
me out
Oh,
of
no.
everything?
Is that what I think it is? There's a button.
I don't trust it.
Scary face. Scary face.
Is this
Okay.
a map that has like cheap
hit it.
scares?
Objective. Find the 2 square keys. Why do I feel like we have to split up for this?
Okay, we'll go ahead and split up.
I don't want to split up. Oh! Oh my god.
It's the torture chair.
Is it the electric chair?
There's a watermelon.
It's a torture chair.
What do you mean?
Why-
It's just a torture chair.
Why are there watermelons?
Mandolin.
Hello, computer. From the 90s. Oh. Oh my god, get this lamp out of here.
Just destroy the lamp.
I got
Just
a
slam the
checkpoint.
lamp against the wall.
Okay, so back here.
Hold on, I gotta...
Where are you at?
I'm somewhere upstairs. I went upstairs.
Okay, I'm following you. I'm up here now.
Did I miss while I was gone?
Yeah, you missed that.
Yeah, we just finished our horror. First... Oh my god!
Why is
did
there
not...
a hanging cord, bro?
It's not just a corpse, it's a baby. Oh god.
Oh, there was a person in the corner. Where did you go? Oh, you're in here.
I'm upstairs. Missing textures.
Yeah.
Oh god. Get out.
That's a eerie smile at the end of the hall.
It's something.
Oh. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? There it is.
Oh, what is that?
It's a gas canister. And it goes over here. I think. Oh! Yep.
Oh, wow. I think we need a lever or something to open these guys. Oh, there's something in here. Ah!
Oh, these spooky
I'm
noises.
losing health in here. I'm losing health in here.
Don't know how. Oh, electric floor. Electric floor.
Oh, we gotta turn this off. How do you turn this off?
I think we just need to get through.
You gotta drag the box. Drag the box.
Okay, I'm in.
Get up. Oh my god.
Oh, what? Oh wait, parkour.
Oh my god, why is the ceiling so
Okay, I did it. I made it. I got a key.
Don't tell me you have to come all the way back.
No, it opened a door right here.
Oh, I have to crouch? Are you serious?
I pick it up.
Oh, I see.
Oh, I guess that's what I need this for. Here, I'll go plug this in.
What is it with these chairs?
It doesn't want to. Guess I'll leave this here. We gotta go find that second key.
I don't even know where you went. You went this way, right?
Yeah, but I didn't find anything this way. But I did not go this way.
Gotta be some kind of exit or secret.
Never found anything. This way just seemed to lead to a dead end, unless. Aha!
There's a vent.
What?
Yeah, you got teleported.
The key was right in front of me. Where
Did you
am
get
I?
it?
No, I got teleported. Can't get past. Okay. Oh.
Some sort of thing.
Hey. Oh.
Door under stairs is now open. How do you get back? Oh, it's probably this is.
I got
4.
teleported back to you.
Is that what the physics gun's for?
I guess.
Although we don't need to bring those anywhere, do we?
I don't know. I'm gonna bring it just in case. Okay, so now we're here. This was just unlocked. Now we're under the stairway from the beginning.
I see. Don't fall down there.
Every time I think I'm out.
Run!
no!
It's George! Ah!
Elevator! Elevator! Um. Oh! What? Okay. Oh.
What?
Yay!
Alright. What? Alrighty. We did it.
Yeah, we did it.
That was interesting.
Yeah, I can say that.
Yeah, that was a lot of, George.
One of those more comedic horror maps. Very, very comedic. I'm gonna hope this music isn't copyrighted.
Let's hope so.
Alright.
If not, we're gonna have to tune out this.
I'm on fire! Okay, anyway, well...
What's this do?
Oh.
I think we spoke too soon. Where does this go?
The question is, are you still master of your domain?
Oh! Boss battle!
Uh-oh.
You can toss explosive barrels at the boss with E to damage.
Oh, Oh my god!
Are we seriously?
Oh, I get, yeah. Oh my god! Dang. How do I throw barrels at it?
Why are we fighting Jerry Seinfeld?
I choose not to run.
Run and jump. Run and charge.
Okay.
Charge and throw.
I got jiggy
Oh
with
my
it.
goodness!
Yeah. All right.
Where? Okay.
Why are we fighting Jerry Seinfeld?
I got jiggy with it. I choose
Oh my
not to
god!
run.
I keep dying!
Ow.
Oh my goodness! It blew up in my face.
Oh, I see what to do.
All right.
I see what to do.
I choose not to run.
That's what these are for.
Oh, I'm on fire.
Ow.
Oh my
did
goodness,
not
the
expect
fire!
to be fighting.
The fire kills you. I realize that now.
Probably what the water's for. That's probably what these are for. I did not expect to be.
I'm gonna die.
I did not expect. I did not wake up to think we'd be fighting Jerry Seinfeld today. How much health does he have?
I don't know. His music is so
I choose not to
just
run.
awkwardly fighting him.
I choose not to run.
Ah!
I choose not to run.
You choose not to run. So you're just
Oh, every
gliding
time
in
you press
place.
the button.
Ow.
All right. All right.
Stop lighting me on fire!
Ow! Ah! We did it! We did it!
Yeah.
GG! Alright. Now what?
Now what? Do we hit this again? Is there an exit?
Ow. I think that's just it.
Do we beat the boss, or is there?
I think that's just it, I think. Oh. I think we can do it.
Yeah.
Alright, well. That was, something.
Pretty interesting.
Definitely something, I'll tell you. But anyway, I think we're gonna call it here, because I don't see anything else for us to do on this map.
Yeah.
And we were about to call it before this.
Mm-hmm. Found a button.
Alright, well, we'll see you in the
I
next
don't think-
episode.
Ciao, ciao.
Bye-bye!
Ciao.